Hey everyone, it's Genesis with TravelZM, and tonight we're diving headfirst into the electric pulse of Stockholm's nightlife. Forget everything you think you know about a night out because Stureplan is in a league of its own. Think high-end, think glamorous, think a night you won't forget. We're talking luxury bars, clubs that set the standard, and hidden gems most tourists wouldn't even dream of finding. Get ready to experience Stockholm's most exclusive district in stunning 4K. You might want to grab a Swedish pastry and settle in because this is going to be good. Let's go! Alright guys, our night begins at Sturehof, one of the most iconic spots in Stockholm. This place is an institution, a cornerstone of Swedish dining culture. We're talking over a century of history right here in the heart of Stureplan. It's a place where tradition meets modernity. And trust me, it oozes that old world charm. The moment you step inside, you're transported to a different era. Think dark wood, brass accents, and that air of timeless elegance. It's like dining in a living piece of history. But don't let the fancy facade fool you. The atmosphere is buzzing. It's a place where the past and present collide in the best way possible. It's the perfect blend of sophisticated and lively. You can feel the energy the moment you walk in. Now, you can't come to Sturehof without experiencing their legendary seafood. It's what they're known for. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or just looking for an incredible meal, their menu won't disappoint. I'm talking fresh oysters, succulent lobster, and so much more. And the most incredible Swedish gravlax you've ever tasted. It's a dish that truly captures the essence of Swedish cuisine. And because no night out in Stureplan is complete without a little bubbly, we're starting with a glass of champagne. It's the perfect way to kick off the evening. Cheers to an epic night ahead. You know I love finding those local favorites, those places that truly capture the spirit of a city. And Sturehof, this is it. It's a place where you can feel the heartbeat of Stockholm. The energy here is contagious. It's a place where memories are made. You've got groups of friends catching up, sharing stories and laughter. You've got groups of friends catching up, sharing stories and laughter. It's a place where connections are made. Couples enjoying a romantic evening, creating memories that will last a lifetime. And even some solo diners soaking up the atmosphere, finding solace in the vibrant surroundings. It's the perfect place to kick off our night and get a real feel for the Stureplan vibe. The excitement is palpable. And as we savor this delicious food and soak in the ambiance, I want you to imagine yourself here. Picture the flavors, the sounds, the sights. Picture yourself walking through those doors, feeling the buzz of the crowd, the clinking of glasses, the aroma of incredible food. It's an experience like no other. That's the magic of Stureplan, and we're just getting started. Stay tuned for more adventures in this vibrant city. Okay, champagne is flowing, our taste buds are happy, it's time to turn up the energy. The night is young, and the city is buzzing with excitement. You can feel the anticipation in the air, like a spark ready to ignite. We're heading across the square to Spy Bar, a Stureplan icon. This place isn't just a bar, it's a landmark in Stockholm's nightlife scene. Now this place is legendary for its exclusive vibe and top-tier DJs. It's where the city's elite come to unwind and let their hair down. As we approach, make sure to get a good look at the exterior. The neon lights are like a beacon, drawing you in with their vibrant glow. The neon lights against the night sky, it's pure electric eye candy, and trust me, it looks incredible in 4K. It's like stepping into a scene from a movie, where everything is just a bit more magical. This is where Stockholm's movers and shakers come to play. The crowd here is always dressed to impress, and the energy is palpable. Inside, Spy Bar is all about sleek design, a pulsating dance floor, and an atmosphere that just screams high energy. The interior is a blend of modern chic and classic elegance, creating a space that's both inviting and exhilarating. This is where you come to let loose, dance the night away, and soak up that electric Stureplan vibe. The music, the lights, the people. It's all designed to make you forget the outside world and just live in the moment. Now, a little insider tip: Spy Bar is known for its strict door policy. So dress to impress. The bouncers here don't just let anyone in, you need to look the part. Think chic, think stylish, think you're about to walk into the pages of a fashion magazine. It's all about making a statement and standing out in the best possible way. Trust me, it's worth it. The experience inside is like no other, and you'll be glad you made the effort. The music here is going to be a mix of the latest hits and classic anthems. The DJs know how to read the crowd and keep the energy high all night long. It's the kind of music that gets under your skin and makes you want to move. You won't be able to resist the urge to hit the dance floor. And the crowd? Expect a stylish mix of locals and in-the-know travelers. It's a melting pot of cultures and styles, all coming together to celebrate the night. Remember, we're here to experience Stureplan at its best. So let loose, have fun, and let's make some unforgettable memories. This is where the night ignites, and the magic happens. Alright, party people, hold on to your hats because things are about to get wild. We're heading to Stureplan, or as the locals call it, Sture. This place is massive, spread across multiple floors, each with its own unique vibe. We're aiming to get there around midnight when the energy is at its peak. Think pulsating music, a packed dance floor, and an atmosphere that's absolutely electric. Stureplan is all about embracing the night, letting loose and dancing until dawn. One of the things I love about this club is the diversity of the crowd. You'll find people from all walks of life here, all united by their love of music and a good time. It's that infectious energy that makes Stureplan so special. Now remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Pace yourselves, stay hydrated, and don't be afraid to take a break from the dance floor if you need to. We've got a big night ahead of us. As we make our way through the crowd, let's soak up the atmosphere. Feel the bass thumping through your chest, see the lights flashing, and let the energy of Stureplan wash over you. This is what Stockholm Nightlife is all about. Okay, we've been dancing up a storm and things are definitely heating up. But before we dive into the next chapter of our Stureplan adventure, let's take a little detour. Just a stone's throw from the bustling streets of Stureplan lies Humlegarden, a tranquil oasis in the heart of the city. This beautiful park is the perfect place to catch our breath, soak up a little moonlight, and enjoy a change of pace. Imagine strolling beneath the trees, the sounds of the city fading into the background replaced by the gentle rustling of leaves. It's a world away from the pulsating energy of the clubs, a reminder that even in the heart of a bustling city, moments of peace can be found. If you're lucky enough to be here during the summer months, you might even catch an outdoor concert or performance. Humlegarden is a hub for cultural events, and there's always something going on. But even if it's just a quick walk under the stars, this little detour will give you a fresh perspective on Stureplan. It's a reminder that this district is more than just nightlife. It's a vibrant tapestry of experiences, from high-energy clubs to peaceful parks. Alright, night owls, we've danced, we've explored, we've even had a moment of zen, but the night isn't over just yet. Now it's time for one last stop before we call it a night. This final destination promises to be the cherry on top of our evening. We're venturing slightly off the beaten path to Södermalm, a trendy district known for its bohemian vibe and eclectic nightlife. This area is a favorite among locals and visitors alike for its unique blend of culture and entertainment. Our destination? Choge, a stylish lounge that's perfect for a nightcap. This place is renowned for its sophisticated yet relaxed atmosphere. Choge has this cool, intimate atmosphere with dim lighting, plush seating, and a killer cocktail menu. The decor is a mix of modern chic and vintage charm, making it a cozy spot to wind down. It's the perfect place to unwind after a night of dancing, enjoy some conversation, and reflect on our Stureplan adventure. Whether you're with friends or just soaking in the ambiance, Choge offers a welcoming retreat. Now Choge is known for its creative cocktails, so don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and try something new. Their menu features a variety of innovative drinks that are sure to delight your taste buds. Their bartenders are true mixologists and they'll whip you up something special. Each drink is crafted with precision and flair, making the experience all the more enjoyable. As we sip our drinks and soak up the atmosphere, let's take a moment to appreciate the journey we've been on tonight. It's been a night filled with diverse experiences and unforgettable moments. From the elegant ambiance of Sturehof, where we started our evening with fine dining and sophisticated vibes, to the pulsating energy of Spy Bar, where the night truly came alive with music and dance. From the crowded dance floors of Stureplan, where we let loose and danced the night away, to the tranquil beauty of Humlegarden, offering a serene escape amidst the city's hustle and bustle, we've experienced the many facets of Stureplan. Each stop has added a unique flavor to our night, and that's the beauty of this district. It's a place of contrast where you can find everything from high-end luxury to bohemian charm, all within a few blocks. This diversity is what makes Stureplan so special. It's a place of contrasts, where you can find everything from high-end luxury to bohemian charm, all within a few blocks. This diversity is what makes Stureplan so special. So, here's to a night well spent and to the memories we've created. Until next time, night owls. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the electric, exclusive, and utterly unforgettable world of Stockholm's Stureplan. From Michelin-starred dining to dancing till dawn, this district is a sensory overload in the best way possible. Remember, dress to impress, embrace the energy, and don't be afraid to lose yourself in the music. For those of you looking for a travel experience that's equal parts luxury and excitement, put Stureplan on your bucket list. And for my TravelZM family, you know I'm all about finding those hidden gems, those local experiences that truly make a trip unforgettable. Stureplan is exactly that, a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Until next time, keep exploring, keep seeking adventure, and I'll see you on the next TravelZM adventure.